Hello students, today we are going to discuss about secondary memory. बट उससे पहले मैं आपको एक चीज़ बताना चाहूँगा। अगर आप हमारे चैनल से जुड़े हुए हैं और आपने हमें लगातार फॉलो किया हुआ है तो आपके लिए एक ऑफ़र है। अगर आप अभी ईयरबड्स ख़रीदना चाहते हैं तो आपको ये 24 घंटे का ऑफ़र दिया जा रहा है, जिसमें आपको ये ईयरबड्स आपको 349 रुपीज़ में अवेलेबल कर दिया जाएगा। इस प्रोडक्ट की लिंक मैं आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दूंगा ताकि आप जो है इस प्रोडक्ट को जल्दी से जल्दी परचेज कर सकें। एंड टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट सेकेंडरी मेमोरी। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट नाउ। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू नो what is the secondary memory. Secondary memory is used to store large amount of data which is not capable by primary storage or main memory. The amount of data disk can hold is defined as disk capacity, which is measured in terms of bytes, kilobytes, megabytes, and so on. And secondary memory is also known as auxiliary memory. In other words, we can say auxiliary memory to as secondary memory. Now we see that the example of secondary memory. What are the example of secondary memory? And first one is the hard disk. Hard disk is the most important and most famous example of secondary memory. So now we have to know what is hard disk and what is the process of storing data on hard disk. A hard disk is a non-volatile and high capacity memory ranging from 1 gigabytes to several terabytes. It consists of a rounded disk. You can see in the image. It consists of rounded disk packed on one another, made up of a magnetic material. This rounded disk is made up of a magnetic material and sealed inside a case. You can see this is the black body. It is called HDD case. This is the image of hard disk, real hard disk. And a hard disk does not get damaged by mishandling because it is fixed inside the computer. So now we have to know that how we can store the data on hard disk. So first of all, we see the structure of hard disk. This is the structure, deep structure of the hard disk. In this you can understand how hard disk work. So first part of the hard disk is platter. Platter stores the data in tracks, sector and cylinder to keep it organized. Now tracks is the ring type structure. A platter is divided into many rings which is called tracks, and a tracks is divided into many sectors. Actually stores sector stores the data, and a sector store 512 bytes of data. This is called this is called sector, you can see. And a cylinder is the set of platters. So this is the process of storing data on hard disk. Finally we can say that a is the platter is divided into tracks, and tracks is divided into sectors, and the sector actually stores the data, and a sector can store 512 bytes of data, and a cylinder is the set of such type of platters. Now we see second secondary memory. This is Blu-ray disc. Blu-ray disc is a high-capacity optical disc medium developed for recording, rewriting, and playing high-definition video. It uses Blu-ray disc that permit large amount of data to be stored at a greater density. A single layer disk can have 25 GB and dual layer disk can have 50 GB, and this is the image of Blu-ray disc you can see. Now third one is CD. CD is the abbreviation of compact disc, and the diameter of CD is 120 mm. It is a thin plate of optical disc medium which is commonly used to store audio and video data, and the capacity of a CD is 700 MB. There are many types of CD are available in the market, which is known as CDR. You can see the image of CDR. R means recordable, and second one is CDRW. RW means rewritable, and the third one is CD-ROM. ROM, you know the nature of ROM, read only memory. Here you can add data at once, and after that you can't update your data. So these are the types of CD are available in the markets. So now next one is magnetic tapes. Magnetic tapes, in this type of memory, magnetic coatings are stored as data on a thin tape. Data read or write speed is slower than other memory devices, but it is convenient, secure, and affordable. Companies across the world still rely on this technology to keep their records safe. You can see the image of magnetic tapes on your screen. Next one is the USB pen drives, and USB is the abbreviation of Universal Serial Bus, and it is a small portable memory. You can simply plugged into a computer with USB port. A pen drive's capacity is less than that of a hard disk, but much higher than a floppy disk or CD. Pen drives have a storage capacity of 2 GB, 8 GB, 16 GB, or multiples of 2, etc. And this is the image of pen drives that are available in the markets to store data. Now we see the memory cards. Memory cards is also known as SD card. SD card is the abbreviation of secure digital card. It is called also flash memory cards, and used with digital camera, mobile phones, music players, video game consoles, etc. They offer high recording ability with power-free storage. Memory card comes with the storage capacity of 8 GB, 16 GB, 32 GB, 64 GB, and 128 GB, etc. And that are the important secondary memory devices. In next video, we see the software, about software and types of software. If you like my video, then press the like button and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching this video.